Randolph Air Force Base. Welcome to Texas from Texas Home Loans. We'd like to thank you for your service. We're presenting to you a different lending experience. Everybody says this, but they actually don't do anything different. We do, and I'm going to break it down, and you're going to see in real world impact, where the rubber meets the road, how it is different. So there's a couple things that we do very differently. The first thing we do is we don't move up our margins on veterans. Now, this is a dirty secret. This is something American banks have been doing to veterans for a long time. They've been getting away with it. The insurance that you got for your service should lower your rate. It makes that loan more valuable because the lender is insured. It should be about 1 point lower. But if you ask your bank or your mortgage company, you say, what's your conventional rate? What's your VA rate? And if it's not a whole point lower, they're making a higher profit margin on your loan. What they're doing is they're moving up the rate. The higher the rate they give you, the more profit that the market gives that bank, because it's all sold to the VA. So they move that up, they make more profit. How much more profit? 3, 4, sometimes 5 times more profit than a regular loan. So why should one person pay a higher rate than they deserve than a regular conventional person? And they're doing this to people that served our country. So here at Texas Home Loans, I don't know how else to say this, but it pisses me off. It makes me angry that these banks and these mortgage companies think they can get away with it. If you look Google, and I'm not making this up, Google Rocket paid a $400 million fine for overcharging veterans. Fairway paid a $200 million fine. You look at this, they've been doing this forever. Why does nobody in lending talk about it? Because they're all getting paid. Well, we're not. I'm the owner of the company, and I set the pricing, and the owner has to be the one who's on board with not stealing from the veterans. So you could have a good loan officer. You could have a good local branch, a good operations manager. You could have a good loan officer. The money's already stolen. That rate's already been moved up, and that lender, the owner of the company, is laughing all the way to the bank in their third house in Aspen. It's wrong, and we don't do that. So Randolph Air Force Base, I hope you like my A-10. My buddy used to fly these, so that's what I have in the back, the blueprints of the A-10 behind me. We appreciate your service. We appreciate you coming to San Antonio. We appreciate you as a Texas resident. You can call us. We give the lowest quote in the first round. We don't increase margins, and you're going to be shocked at how low our rates are. And look at our reviews. We always close on time. I just got a jumbo loan clear to close in 9 days, which is unheard of. So I can close VA loans very quickly, efficiently, and take the stress off of you and put it where you got to worry about moving your life. You don't have to worry about money. I want to be an afterthought. I want to make sure you get a good rate and you forget about me. If I'm forgotten, I did my job. So we appreciate your service at Joint Base San Antonio, Randolph Air Force Base here in Texas. We're going to help you with your VA loan, your purchase, or refinance. Even if you want to do a cash out, you can't do a VA with that. We can do conventional cash out, and you can refinance that as a VA loan with a low rate later. All of these things, home equity loans, we can do this for you and make sure you're taken care of. We appreciate your service, and thank you very much.